most days the weather is like this so far since we came. Most days it's just overcast, almost like
It's called
foggy.
foggy. Yeah, it's smog.
Yeah.
And it goes until about 12 in the midday and then it clear up.
Matter of fact, it's an actual thing where it's called the June gloom. So now they're saying it's June gloom that's spilling over into July. Usually the month of June is like this. But because of this though, the temperature is very nice. Usually about in the high 60s, thereabout. So I'm not mad at it at all. I mean, I'm a sunshine girl all day, every day. But yeah, this is it. This ain't bad at all. It ain't bad at all. What are you, sunshine boy? Or...
I'm driving.
This is a famous tunnel where they do a lot of movies. Okay? Okay. One more. Fast and the Furious and all of them.
Yeah.
In a quarter mile, use the left lane to take exit
Oh, it's a lot.
26A for I-5 North, Golden State Freeway towards Sacramento.
Yeah, we're up in the year. You can see the Hollywood sign behind we down there, so. I would just make a move. You see me? It's beautiful here. Let me get a 360. Yeah, getting it done. Let's go. There's the Hollywood sign all the way in the background, way back there, so. Yeah, and the rest of it is history. Where are we now, babes? We're at the Observatory here. The Observatory.
The Griffith.
I'm at the Griffith Observatory with this beautiful lady. Hey girl, long time no see. Do you have a little time to spend with me? 'Cause we walk all the way from down the hill up to the top. Ooh, we walk all to the top. The man, see there? Hollywood sign. We have other so. Eh? This is crazy. Crazy. All them canyons and thing and look on them house we hang off of the hill over there so. Think of Jamaica. Yeah, no, let's go. This is the Griffith Observatory on top of a hill in Hollywood. Griffith Observatory. It's currently closed, but yeah, we're still up here. Look nice, not tell no lie. Them a do a thing. Think you can set your camera there and do something. Yeah.
Yeah, so we're up here by the Hollywood sign. In California, California. In the city. Body. There's more back there. Pause. There's more back there.
Sundial. In sunlight, the shadow of the wire indicates correct watch time on the ring. Oh wow. So this is the wire. The wire tell you the watch time. And those are the people, them Galileo and all the other people who are the father of science. And of course, this young lady decided that she wants to be a part of Galileo and his friends. So, yes, of course I did. This is the sundial, and the shadow of this tells you the right time. You see it? The shadow of this, depending on the sun, will tell you the right time based on the sun.
So what time is it on?
Depend something like which one is the fast one and which one is the slow one. Haha, that's the thing.
Oh, so I want to see the shadow over here.
That is it.
Is there one up here too?
No, see, it's just the sun and the shadow. I don't know how it works. I'm not a sundialer.
Let me see what time it is. 9.
She's crazy. She's looking at sundial for information. No.
All right, so we have our astronomers, yes, on this monument right here. First you have
Herschel, 1738 to 1822.
next you have,
Newton.
is it my friend Newton?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fig Newton. And then 1642 to 1727.
And then
Kepler. What that? 1371 to 1530.
and then Galileo.
1564 to 1642.
And then
Copernicus, 1475 to 1543.
and then
Hipparchus, 160 to 125 BC. So he's the oldest one,
that is it.
lived the longest, or the most ancient one.
It's a pretty cool monument.
And I'm also, and
Yes.
you have yard about 1973 to
To present.
1975. Hello. So you see it? I carry for show our observatory. And now look where me I go. Down the canyon. Look so when me slide and drop off over there. So. See what me I try show now? What me I have to deal with? My foot I hurt me now. Me not jogging nothing. Go jog on this dirt here. Watch it. Suppose me jog and slide over there. So. I down there so I'm going now. She have me a jog. Foot hurt me now. And she have me a jog. This 50-year-old man trying to live a peaceful life. And look how she have me a jog over the edge of the cliff. She's wicked. She never told me about this part. She told me to come to the observatory. Now she has me walking.
That's okay. It's a good workout.
Good workout.
See? And the ladies are going to join her in it. Wicked. This is wicked. Look, so when we fall over this, look on her. She in her elements. She into her elements. And then other people over here do it. Feel very hurtful. My foot is hurting me still.
Guys, introduce it to my other half. Why he being a chump? Why he scared to jog? Everybody jogging. Again. Everybody jogging. Everybody. But look how steep though. Look how steep. This is scary.
She never told me about this part. She told me to come to the observatory. Now she has me walking.
Morning.
That's okay. It's a good workout.
Good workout, which we all need.
The ladies are going to join us. This is wicked. Look, so when we fall over this.
This is crazy.
Look on her. In our elements. Into her elements. Then people up here.
Oh, your foot feel, babe?
Feel very hurtful.
Okay, say if it was hurting
My
before.
foot is hurting me still.
Guys, let me introduce you to my other half.
No, this you can't. There's no way. Before we are gonna drop down the gully.
Down the gully.
There's no
Drop
way
down
we
the
can
gully. Drop
be
down the
hugging
gully.
up and
Drop down
walking.
the gully. Let me show you. Houses down there. P, stop. Hollywood singing. Hollywood. Hollywood singing. Hollywood singing. I'm gonna ask you. I tell you. So you da get to it on the trail, yeah. You da catch your length on the trail, yeah. We're up by the Hollywood
Hills.
hills, up by the observatory.
The Hollywood sign.
And trust me, the trail is endless and steep. Trust me.
1 mile already. Go.
So proud about your 1 mile. Proud about your 1
Cause me after the 1 mile go back up.
But it's hard though. I'm feeling it on the back of my calf. Cause
one lizard.
yeah, the incline is not easy.
Very
like
incline.
1 mile feel like 3 miles. Alright, you see all the way up there
That's where we walk.
where you see some people are.
Show the observatory where I walk back to.
Oh yeah, that's where we started walking from.
The big building.
The big observatory up there. That's where we're gonna go back to.
And then you can't see the Hollywood sign from here, so. Cause we're in the valley.
We're in the valley. But it's nice. It's nice. And the weather is it's not hot. It's a little bit on the cooler side. It's just sun is just coming out. But the breeze is cool. That's the difference between here and Florida. Florida is humid. Here, even if the sun is out, which it hardly is, it's still cool. So yeah, that is it.
California, 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 no doubt about it. In the city, city of something.
Compton.
In the city, city of
Crenshaw.
Glendale. Crenshaw is not a city.
I don't care.
It's the streets. It's them streets, babes. Keep it rocking. My foot back hurt me. I'm here to walk up the mountain.
Guys, so here I am up in the mountains. Yes, in Hollywood. Yes, LA. Right up by the observatory. And it's a rough walk. I can tell you that much. The walk ain't easy, and we did not even do more than like 1.5 miles one way. So in all, it's gonna be only 3 miles. I thought we could have knocked out like 5 miles, but with the incline, I'm telling you, hell no, cannot do 5 miles based on the incline. I guess with practice, if it was something that we were doing, we do walk 5 miles every morning, but that's in Florida, so you know we're talking about a plane, fly everything flat, so it's not as challenging. But these here hills, don't play, do not play. But it's beautiful though, beautiful. Beautiful. And the hubby, he's live on his TikTok, but yeah, beautiful.
And people will see me screaming and saying, it's not that bad, let me tell you something.
We're going all the way up there.
It's that bad.
Yeah, we're going up all the way up there.
Why?
It's steep.
Let's go up that